As a home service professional, you know, finding new customers isn't easy. Sometimes you spend more time looking for work than doing work you need. Something that makes finding your next customer simple. You need 247 ProFinder. 247 ProFinder is the #1 marketplace for project-ready home owners to connect with pre-screened pros. In fact, a homeowner visits 247 ProFinder every 5 seconds looking for help, giving you a steady flow of new customers. And with 247 ProFinder, patented ProFinder technology, you're only matching to serious homeowners in your area. 247 ProFinder then instantly connects you over the phone, by email, or simply lets customers book an appointment on your calendar at the same time. Homeowners can read reviews and see your past work, giving them the confidence to hire you. Plus, only home 247 ProFinder, an all-in-one solution to track jobs, create invoices, and collect payments faster. Over 100,000 pros already rely on 247 ProFinder. Isn't it time you did to join 247 ProFinder today and start your next job tomorrow? You